What HVAC myths lead homeowners to make expensive mistakes? Common myths include believing bigger equipment is always better, that closing vents saves money, and that changing filters is optional. A larger heating and cooling system is not automatically better because it may turn on and off too quickly, leaving rooms damp and unevenly comfortable while using more energy. Proper sizing should be based on a home assessment, insulation, windows, air leaks, and local weather, not just the old unit size. Closing vents in unused rooms usually does not save much because the system still produces the same amount of air, while pressure can build inside the ducts. Setting the thermostat much higher or lower will not make the system heat or cool faster. It only makes it run longer. A dirty filter can restrict airflow, increase energy use, and strain the blower, so check it monthly and replace it when it looks loaded with dust. One lesser-known issue is that a very restrictive filter may be harmful if the system was not designed for it. So ask a professional which filter type and thickness fit your equipment. Regular maintenance can also catch a dirty outdoor coil, weak electrical connection, or low airflow before a small problem becomes an expensive repair. One common mistake is choosing the cheapest replacement estimate without checking whether the equipment is correctly sized, properly installed, and covered by a clear warranty, so compare the full scope of work. Another misconception is that refrigerant simply gets used up. If the level is low, there may be a leak that should be found instead of repeatedly adding refrigerant. Many homeowners also ignore strange sounds, water near the indoor unit, or rising energy bills, but these warnings deserve prompt attention because early service is often less costly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.